that the black and brown is not unified. We don't want the system to believe for 1 second that after 90 days, we won't be here. We don't, let me say it again, because I want everybody, even in the back, to hear what we're saying. We don't want the system for 1 second to believe that after a month, we won't be here. We will be here after Donald Trump. We will be here after the governor is gone. We will be here after Garcetti is gone. We will be here. Why? Our destination is every form of media be watching us. Why? We are the revolution. When we talk about the Mexican warriors, that's what we mean. They chased out the enemy. We are fighting the enemy right now today. We are fighting the enemy right now. Each and every one of us should know our life is on the line. Each and every one of us should know our life is on the line. Our life is on the line. And let the female live. We are the targets. We are the targets. This young black and brown new youth generation is the most strongest generation that has ever lived. Zapata wanted him in the army. Martin Luther King wanted him in the army. Martin Luther King wanted us in the army. Because we are the ones that's going to take us to the promised land. We are the ones that's going to get us freedom, justice, and equality. So don't let the enemy. I stand on the shoulders of my Native family. I stand on the shoulders of my Native family. Each and every one of us is a target. Don't let him divide us in the hood. Don't let him divide us in the hood. My argument has been for the last 2 or 3 weeks, we say Black Lives Matter all around the world, where black and brown lives matter in the hood. You all know what I'm talking about. You all know what I'm talking about. Black and brown lives matter in the damn hood. In the hood, it matters. So, we here as a unified spirit. We here as a unified body. For the last 2 or 3 weeks, our team, Black B.L.M. _4_ Black Lives, we've been here since it started. We're going to be here when it ends. And when we say Black Lives Matter, we mean each and every person under the sun. The sun shines on the just as well as the unjust. It shines on the just as well as the unjust. So, beloved people, if you can see what I see, you look so beautiful. You look so beautiful. You look so beautiful. Our ancestors mourned for this moment. When we was in Hollywood, probably about Sunday, I spoke about the greatness of one of our brothers, Cesar Chavez. And the revolution that he had in Northern California. And the things that Martin Luther King did, the things that other leaders did. Each and every one of them, at the end of their mission, understood our unity is more stronger than an atomic bomb. Our unity is more stronger than an atomic bomb. Read the history of these leaders. Read the history of these leaders. They wanted unity amongst the people. because our unity can take down the system. You, each and every one of us, we have to understand and know and believe in our heart and our mind and our soul that our unity is taking down the system.
Ain't that right? Look around and say to your fellow neighbors, you are an activist. You are a leader. And you will bring change. And we will bring change. In my community, in our streets, and in our nation.